Hello students, I am Ashok Kumar. I am going to teach you the next types of the topic determiners of a standard 9th. Today's topic is demonstrative determiners. Demonstrative show where an object, event or person is in relation to the speaker. They can refer to a physical or a psychological closeness or distance. When talking about events, the near demonstratives are often used to the present time, while the far demonstratives often refer to the past time. Now we say near the speaker and far from the speaker. Add both here and there. The here is showing near the speaker and there showing far from the speaker. Demonstrative with singular uncountable nouns. They are used this and that. This for the near and that for the far. And demonstrative with plural countable nouns. Here it is these and those. These for the near and those for far. Now use of demonstrative. How do we use the demonstrative? Demonstratives can be used to indicate distance near or far. ये near और far के distance को denote करता है. Example, near the speaker, far from the speaker. Is this John's house? This showing here nearness. Is that John's house over there? It's showing here far. This is a nice surprise. This showing here nearness, and that must have been a nice surprise for you. So that showing here far. These apples are mine, showing here nearness, and those apples are yours, showing here far. Demonstrative can be placed before the noun or the adjectives that modifies the noun. Example, this blue car needs to be cleaned. Those people were here yesterday. Demonstrative can also appear before a number by itself when the noun is understood from the context. Example, I'd like to try that shirt. That showing here far, and this doll is broken. This showing here nearness. Demonstrative can be used by themselves when the noun they modify is understood from the context. For example, I'll never forget this story, and that has nothing to do with me. Now next, pronouns and possessive determiners. Pronouns replace nouns. A different pronoun is required depending on two elements: the noun being replaced and the function that the noun has in the sentence. In English, pronouns only take the gender of the noun they replace in third person singular form. The second person plural pronouns are identical to the second person singular pronouns except for the reflexive pronouns. Here we have the list of some pronoun and determiners. Now we see subject pronoun, object pronoun, possessive adjective determiner, possessive pronoun and reflexive pronoun. First person singular number I, me in objective case. In possessive it is my, possessive adjective, and possessive pronoun it is mine, and reflexive pronoun it is myself. Second person singular, subjective is you, objective is you, possessive adjective your, and possessive pronoun yours and reflexive pronoun yourself. Third person singular male he in subjective, him in objective, his possessive adjective, his possessive pronoun, and himself is reflexive pronoun. Third person singular female she subjective, her objective, her possessive adjective, and hers possessive pronoun, herself reflexive pronoun. Third person singular or neutral it subjective, it objective, its possessive adjective, it is nothing here, and itself is reflexive pronoun of it. First person plural we subjective us, objective our, possessive adjective ours, possessive pronoun, and ourselves reflexive pronoun. Second person plural you subjective, you objective, your possessive adjective, yours possessive pronoun, and yourselves reflexive pronoun. Third person plural they subjective, them objective, their possessive adjective, theirs possessive pronoun, and themselves reflexive pronoun. Now students, up to pronouns and possessive determiners we have studied up to here, and rest part of this topic will be sent in the next video. Now thank you so much.